Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes.
Hey y'all, so I'm at Fontana. I'm trying to pick up some stuff because I'm going to a launch event tonight. So I'm trying to pick up some stuff, like makeup stuff and like personal care stuff, and then head to Anika's house. I'm trying to find a bronzer though. I think this is the one that I had before, but I need something that's like darker than this color.
I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once. For once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once. For once.
We are so late. We're heading to Dub Club Cafe's launch, and the launch started so long ago and we're just about to leave to go. We're so late. We're in first. Come on, girl. So it's been a little while since you guys saw me last. Last night I went to Dub Club's Double Wise Cafe's launch, which was basically at Kaya. The cafe is like at the back of Kaya, and then that was our night. That was Wednesday night, which was yesterday, and then today we actually went to Toyota Cafe to get some work done. I went to get some work done, and then we had like some meetings for like our brand. I'll talk about that more in detail like in vlogs to come, by the way, but not right now. And tonight we are going to Holy Smokes. It's Thursday night, so you know Holy Smokes on a Thursday night is a must for us. Not me talking like we go every week, but it's kind of starting to feel like we're there almost every week. So by the way, this outfit, if you have watched my Negril vlogs, you should know this outfit. I think I've worn this outfit in Negril before, but I've never taken a picture in the full outfit. Or have I ever worn this outfit, I think in Kingston. I don't know if I ever have, but this outfit is from Maria Imani. I love me some Maria Imani, and it's one of the outfits that I brought with me into Kingston to just throw on. I didn't necessarily plan to wear it tonight, but I knew I was gonna wear it this weekend. But Holy Smokes is gonna get this outfit tonight, so. But I'm not mad at it, it's cute. We're waiting on our taxi now, and the taxi I think was like 10 minutes away, so it's probably almost here by now. I'm also meeting up with Bekana and Anisha tonight, as well as like some other friends, so it should be a cute little night. I don't know how much I'll be vlogging, but I try my best to vlog as much as I can. If you guys don't see me again, thank you so much for hanging out with me for this week. The vlog after this should be a pretty exciting one if all goes well tomorrow, but I'm gonna close this out tonight. So holy smokes, tonight is gonna be the ending of the vlog, guys. Thanks for sticking around as always. If you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe and like this video. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think.
I figured she wasn't gonna show up though. Yeah, I'm like, she's not coming.
No, but look how good body. But look
But look how good, buddy!
You know, wait. Hi, Ashley.
Say
You
hi.
know it's me.
I know it is,
Because
but
I
I
have to
just
make
like,
sure. Because you know, some of the mass
no man, the voice.
Okay,
the
good.
voice and the
Good.
ear. I see
You
the
miss
ear
my
number love.
performances.
So hi. Okay. Hi.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head